Cool. Let's move on to the next topic. What's the next topic?
Let's move on.
Is it Razer Blade?
तेरा है topic.
Awesome,
Yeah, come
awesome.
on. You seem excited about it.
I'm always
Let's
excited
go.
about laptops and desktops and CPUs. Always.
I bought one. I'm not excited. I just buy tech and I'm like, I will not research that tech anymore because कल कुछ तो नया आएगा. It's gonna be better than what I have and I'll be sad as well.
That's
Sad or like yeah.
exactly what's been happening since I got my laptop, guys. So Razer Blade,
Oh.
the Razer Blade 2020 laptops got launched, and apparently they are better. They're not better this year. Again, we were talking in the previous episode. Watch the previous episode. The cardio. I का option आएगा. इधर.
एडिटर डालेगा तो आएगा वरना नहीं.
एडिटर नहीं, यूट्यूब वाले डालते हैं. अरे 2 मिनट का काम है, I'll show you later. तो वो देख लो, एपिसोड देख लो, where we talked about how tech has incremental improvements over year. Okay, so yeah, that's all I'm gonna tell you. Spoiler alert. So this year, Razer Blade has done incremental improvements to their Razer Blade lineup. Razer Blade lineup is essentially their gaming laptop lineup. They have Razer Blade, they have Razer Stealth. Razer Stealth is thinner, lighter, but still good performance. But it is more for portable gaming. Okay, so this is their proper like gaming laptop where the processors are very powerful, the GPU is very powerful, the battery is small to accommodate what do you call it? Thermal
Cooling system.
Cooling system, exactly. And so this year they have two models, right? So there's a base model and there's an advanced model. And last year what had happened, only the advanced model had the 4K OLED option. And this year even the base model, which starts at $1,600, I mean Razer is very expensive. It's like the MacBook of Windows.
Gaming. But then
it's the Apple of Windows.
yeah.
It's too overpriced, and it's like for a very
But
niche.
then I saw the review and he said he uses those laptops, Sasaki.
Yeah, because
Even
then again,
he can't explain it.
Exactly. I told you, it's more about the feel of the laptops. And
Feel of the laptops.
it's a very
yeah.
niche, as I said, it's a very niche consumer market. Okay, people who want to game, like if you are a gamer, you just invest into a desktop, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Exactly.
I never understand these as a thick laptops.
Exactly.
I'm like, what are you trying to be?
That's-
Portable or high performance?
Exactly, because some laptops are neither portable nor high performance. So it's a very confusing.
Yeah, those
consumer
Acer ka
market.
laptops are with those thick ends and needing
yeah.
2 power bricks.
Yeah. Oh,
And I'm like-
dude, holy shit, that was crazy. That one was crazy. I know what you're talking about. Oh my
Yeah.
God.
And then there was this one.
It had a mechanical keyboard and stuff.
Yeah, and then there was this one which had as a pipe endings इधर laptop के पीछे से and you could connect a water cooler to it.
I don't know this.
Just
Whoa.
just buy a gaming PC.
Desktop,
It's
exactly.
cheaper. You won't lift that monstrosity anywhere.
Oh my god, exactly. But again, the Razer Blade, coming back to it, it's a very niche, what do you call it, product. And
I mean,
this
Razer
time,
blades still look nice and
They
thin
look really
and stuff.
nice. They look really nice, and they have but this time I don't think they have a white version for the advanced model.
They do, I guess. It's for the touchscreen 4K one.
No, I'm not sure, but but I think the base model has white color. Advanced model doesn't
Okay,
have
there
white
is a
color.
white color. So if you
There's
have
a
to
white
buy
color.
it, then
So it starts at $1,600. It's the absolute mad lad. But this time, the $1,600 version also has 4K OLED option, which is actually very nice. Because last year, as I said, only the advanced model had the 4K OLED, and they have 6-core CPUs in the base model
Basic one.
and 8-core CPUs and NVIDIA Super GPUs in the advanced model. And in the advanced model, they have a vapor chamber for thermal stuff. So how do I explain a vapor chamber? It's essentially
it's a
instead of
vapor
pipe,
chamber.
It's a chamber. Usually cooling systems are made of like copper pipes, right? So the garam hawa goes from the CPU to the copper pipes to the fan. वहाँ से निकल जाता है. But a vapor chamber is literally a small section, an entire section of the motherboard is covered by this gigantic, metal. It's ऐसा पूरा ऐसा cover कर दिया. So the fans are here. The two fans are here. They have been covered by this, metal. What do you call it? I don't know. It's a cover.
I
It's a
didn't know
cover.
this.
So it's essentially a small chamber. It's a room on the motherboard. So there's no pipe.
I thought it had something to do with fluid evaporating and taking the heat out.
नहीं बच्ची. So vapor chamber is literally a room
Scammed.
where all the hot air is accumulated, and since there are no pipes, it's only pressure doing all the work. And it is vapor chambers have the pros of a vapor chamber is thermal performance is much better. That is why they have 8-core CPUs in the advanced vapor chamber model. And the con is that you need to make the laptop a little bit motor. So the advanced model with the vapor chamber is 2 millimeters thicker than the one without the vapor chamber.
Yeah, these laptops are specifically for gamers, right?
Specifically for
They are
gamers.
meant to be thick.
Yeah.
Because I saw the review and I'm like, oh, is this something made in 2020? I guess I'm not in the gaming market ka target anyway.
That's right.
We're talking about who's gonna use this. Maybe college students might living in dorm rooms and
Exactly.
hostels.
But
So
then again,
they-
college students वो भी EMI पे लेना पड़ेगा बहुत महंगा.
Oh no,
It's a-
their parents will pay for it.
Hey, let's not count that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
Yeah, there are. Talking about EMI पे pay करने वाले, I'm one of those. But I don't.
The thing is.
So I remember when my JE was going on, तभी उसके पहले, and there was this Flipkart का big billion sale ऐसा.
Those are very.
There was this
tempting.
group of kids who were, I guess, rich, I don't know, and they bought this Acer Predator, सब same laptops खरीदे, and so they weren't allowed to open those, I guess, or something, and they just kept it उधर ऐसा, सारे 6 boxes ऐसा. Acer Predators just waiting to be opened once their JE is over. क्या tempting होता होगा वो.
Oh my god, Acer, yeah. But Acer, oh yeah. Oh, I know what you're talking about. It's a decent lineup. It's a decent lineup. Predator is a pretty good.
Oh no, they had those अच्छा वाला gaming वाला. I don't remember the exact model, but yeah, they were meant to be gaming laptops.
That's nice.
So yeah, Razer Blade
Not the
15,
JDs.
guys. If you are rich, buy it.
But that's literally the entire point. If you're
I don't get it. Why won't you buy a gaming? Let's think it Razer के perspective से. Why would someone buy a Razer Blade 15, right? A 15 over a gaming PC.
Okay, fine.
Equivalent powered
Huh.
game. So let's just assume the gaming PC is gonna be cheaper.
Right.
Is that the case?
It is definitely.
But with the monitor and stuff, monitor, keyboard, and will it be cheap?
Definite 100% and better performance. Dude. Come on.
Okay, I'll go.
The 60. I'll tell you what you can build with a $1,600 budget. Okay. You can build a third generation the Ryzen 7 3700X. Amazing, awesome motherboard. You can overclock the CPU. तेरा graphics card आएगा आराम से.
Which graphics card can you buy?
I'm not sure if you can buy the 2070 Super, but
Okay, so you're still in the 60s range. It's not in the 80s range, right?
what?
2080, the graphics card. I thought with 16,
No,
not
buddy, 2080 $900 का graphics card ठीक है. It's a
exactly.
$900
So
it's $900 graphics.
if you put $900 to it, and then you have around कितना left? $700. 700. Nah.
तुम्हारा नहीं
अब वो-
700 में से आधे से ज्यादा तो तेरा CPU में चला जाएगा 8 core AMD का.
How much is it?
350 to 450.
Okay, that's nice.
3700X. It's decent, but no, I wouldn't go with a 2080 if I have a 60.
That will be a bottleneck, I guess.
It won't be a bottleneck. It'll be a bottleneck in the budget. So a well-balanced build would be 2060 Super or 1660 Ti if you don't want the ray tracing stuff. So I would go CPU though I would what do you call it? Prioritize. So I would go with an 8-core CPU 3700X. You can overclock it. उसके साथ motherboard भी आराम से आ जाएगा. And you can even go with what do you call it? Some cheap water cooling also you can put. in $1,600.
You know, I think you should pay more for cooling.
You
Like buy a
definitely
6-core
should.
CPU and then use
That
that
is-
money for cooling.
That is quite viable, and I would actually recommend that.
Oh, so there we
So-
go, Laser Break 15.
It's about 15. If you have the
See.
money, buy it. If you don't have the money, go with the.
There's this
desktop.
YouTuber Sarah DG, and she does a lot of laptop stuff and PC stuff, and she just got into Windows from Mac.
Sarah, what?
Why would you do that? Sarah DG.
Okay.
And so I liked what she said about gaming laptops and stuff. So she said if you're living at the same place, gaming at the same place, buy
That's right.
a PC.
PC, that's right.
If you're traveling and you're gaming, buy something thin, put the settings down for the game. You don't need ultra graphics on that small screen anyway.
True.
So if you do, come on, I mean, you're gonna have to play at 30 or something, 30 FPS. But
Mm-hmm.
if you're traveling that much, कि you need a laptop for gaming, then maybe you will
Exactly.
have to compromise somewhere, because
Exactly.
having a thick laptop will break your back if you're carrying it that much.
That's right.
And I guess one scenario where I would give it a edge over it is for college students, because they need the laptop in college and then घर पे भी वगैरह. So I guess, I don't know, you're gonna have to make some compromises.
Fair enough. So apparently, dude, on Amazon you're getting the processor 8-core 3700X with the CPU cooler and the motherboard for $600.
That's a steal.
That's steal. That's
Yeah.
That's crazy. And the motherboard is not बच्चे सा मस्त वाला एकदम.
Yeah, so-
X570 मस्त एकदम भारी.
I mean, I it's been so long since I have done this PC market wala year, because the last time I built a PC, that is when I did this, and that was like
That's right.
10th standard ke baad. So and I'm in second year engineering now.
Fair
So
enough, fair enough.
do the math. So
But $1,600 top of the line. You'll be gaming at
Yeah.
almost 100 FPS at AAA titles easily. So not too bad.
or buy an Xbox.
hey, you can't game at 100 FPS on an Xbox.
Yeah, but you won't need 100 FPS on an Xbox. I mean,
What?
if you're playing on an Xbox, I'm pretty sure you won't need 100 FPS. The TV and stuff, they can't put 100 FPS up anyway.
Hey, you can put a monitor, no? 144 Hz.
Okay, you're buying a 144 Hz monitor and then asking me कि मैं gaming PC लूँ कि laptop लूँ. I mean, come on, man.
Fair enough, fair enough. Oh my god.
Gaming on TVs, damn. I don't know how you guys play with it. Anyone like playing Call of Duty competitive on a TV?
I haven't played competitive Call of Duty, but I've played like local multiplayer on a TV.
हाँ, तभी तो latency same है ना.
हाँ, that is fine.
So it doesn't matter ऐसा.
हाँ, it doesn't.
दोनों की लग रही है बस basically.
I remember, holy shit. This was the first time I went to like a foreign country. Okay.
हाँ.
I was staying at my cousin's place in Kuwait, and they had a PS3 at the time. This was in
Mhm.
2009. Okay.
Oh, okay.
2009, nahin, 2013.
हाँ.
And I was staying at the place, and we used to play and that was the first time I had ever properly played on a console. Okay, and we were 5 people. Okay, 2, me and my brother, and there's 3 of my cousins there in that house. So we had to
Yeah.
like take turns because there were only 4 controllers. Okay.
You still had 4 controllers.
Yeah, we still had 4 controllers. Okay, so we split the screen.
I thought
into
taking
4.
turns वालों एक बार GTA 5 खेलेंगे हम ऐसा
No, no.
single person.
We were no, they are rich that way. So
Uh-huh.
they had a huge screen, and it was 55 inch only, but मेरे standard से तब वो बहुत बड़ा था, and we used to like divide it into like 4 parts and play with each other,
Oh.
and sometimes against each other. so you couldn't look into the other person's screen.
अच्छा okay.
It was
हाँ.
right beside yours. So like.
So that's what
almost
54.
a retro
That's a
game.
27 inch screen for everyone, right?
Yeah, but we are
Approx.
sitting like very far away. So.
But still, that is.
Yeah, good
that
enough.
is that's
it was
a
sat-
good
it was
enough,
a,
yeah.
it was a satisfactory gaming experience. What can I say?
More than satisfactory. I haven't played on a big display kabhi.
हाँ क्या?
हाँ नहीं, never. It
Whatever,
was
I don't know.
PSP then. It's 21. My monitors are 21 inches, so
That's a fair
that.
size.
Yeah, going greater than that would be stupid because एक table पे रहता है वो.
That's right.
So yeah.
चलो फिर.
Poof. Anyway,
What are we talking
Razer
about
Blade 15 से इधर आ गए हम. That is so
Gaming.
Atiq and Advait.